Hey, let me show you how you can easily fix the connection issue with your Samsung Health application and your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So if for some reason the data from your watch is not going to be automatically moved into the Samsung Health, first of all, just be sure that you are successfully connected with the Galaxy wearable application, like in my case. As you can see, I'm connected, I can find my battery level. And now, all you have to do is just to go into this Samsung Health application and go into the sleep. Now click on the three dots in the right upper corner and select accessories. Then, in my case, I'm registered with my Galaxy Watch FE, but if for some reason you don't have your watch right here, just simply try to find it right here on the list and select your watch. But if you don't have the watch right here, you can tap to scan for accessories, and now it will actually scan. And in my case, I actually press on this function and it automatically adds my Galaxy Watch FE right here. And since I just connected like this, it actually stopped disconnecting. And now it automatically track my data. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.